Human activities, from pollution to overpopulation, are driving up the Earth's temperature and fundamentally changing the world.
SDG 13 is one of the 17 United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Its aim to take urgent action to combat climate change and its impacts. Climate change is caused by human activities such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and pollution. The goal encourages countries to reduce greenhouse emissions, adapt to climate impacts, and work together globally. It is closely connected to other SDGs such as clean energy, life on land, and life below water. Global temperatures. The Earth's average temperature is increasing due to greenhouse gas emissions. Weather events. More frequent floods, droughts, hurricanes, and wildfires are happening worldwide. Melting ice and rising sea levels. Polar ice is melting, causing oceans to rise and threatening coastal areas, people and ecosystems. Climate change affects health, food security, water supply, biodiversity, and especially vulnerable communities. Now, you might be wondering, what is SDG 13? SDG 13 is climate action, one of the UN 17 Sustainable Development Goals. Its aim to combat climate change and its impacts by reducing greenhouse emissions, helping communities adapt, promoting climate education, and supporting countries in taking action. Now, here are 4 solutions that I am going to talk about. Firstly, use renewable energy. Switch from fossil fuels to clean sources like solar, wind, or hydropower. Secondly, protect and restore forests. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, so stopping deforestation and planting more trees is crucial. Stop. Thirdly, practice sustainable living. Reduce, reuse, recycle, and use eco-friendly transport such as public transport, cycling, or electric vehicles. And lastly, strengthen global cooperation and awareness. Support agreements like the Paris Agreements, educate communities, and encourage collective action to fight climate change. Paris Agreement 2015, a global treaty where countries agreed to limit global warming to below 2 Celsius, ideally 1.5 Celsius compared to pre-industrial levels. Malaysia's efforts. Malaysia aims to achieve net zero greenhouse gas emissions by 2050 and has policies like the National Climate Change Policy. Individual role. Everyone can help by reduce plastic use, save energy, cycle or walk instead of driving short distance, and support eco-friendly initiatives. Why urgent? According to the UN, the last 8 years were the hottest on record, and if no action is taken, the climate change could displace millions of people worldwide. Now, in conclusion, SDG 13 is about taking urgent action against climate change. The Earth is getting warmer, and this causes floods, droughts, rising sea levels, and nature. But we can still make a difference by using clean energy, protecting forests, recycling, and working together. We can protect our planet. Every small action counts, and if we act now, we can build a safer and healthier world for the future.